Hello BeeBusinessBee fans. One of the requests that I keep getting is, can I do more vlogs? Well, I thought, what shall I do for Christmas? I'll make you a special vlog. And one of the questions that seems to be in the news business related at the moment is the high street, and is it declining? And what can we do to save it? So here I am in the local town centre. Look at the car park behind me, it's full. As you can see, Christmas is having a positive effect. So the high street may not be fully in decline. However, the statistics suggest that it is. And the reasons why? Well, because convenience, consumer changing habits, and the online shopping is all making a massive impact. Throw into the fact that you've got increased rent from business rates that businesses in the town centre have to pay, as well as in the town that I'm here at the moment, they have a business improvement district. One of those negative effects, which means it's an extra tax on business. So actually, when we talk about the decline in a high street, maybe one of the ways we can reverse it is with government intervention. Can government start to cut the taxation that businesses have to pay? Will councils remove the bids? And more importantly, will councils start to provide free parking and make it easy for people to get into town centres? They're all considerations that have a massive impact on the future of our town centres. And until next time, keep buzzing.